There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 Dodge Charger RT Scat Pack in pitch black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo 4-piston front brakes, high-performance suspension, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SRT performance pages, heated rear seating, power sunroof, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D7121.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.